Kai reposts with caption as shady tweets about Fiang and Ding Dong reposts Kai tweets. Yung nagkakagulo sila ngayon sa X pero si Fiang relax lang habang nagbibilyard kasama si JM. Kai Montenola received numerous bashing sa social media dahil sa unintentional na repost. Kai Montenola admin nag-explain na hindi intentional ang pag-repost ni Kai kasi hindi naiintindihan ni Kai yung context ng post. Post ng admin ni Kai, eyes here. To anyone who may have been offended by Kai's reply, please know it was unintentional. She only understood the first part of the post and didn't mean any harm. Thank you for your understanding. Nagalit naman ang mga fans ni Fiang dahil umano sa shady post na nirepost din ni Ding Dong Bahan. And like what? Kai is a minor. Bakit binabash si Kai without thinking na minor pa si Kai and she admitted na it was an honest mistake. By the way, Ding Dong Bahan already explained his sides dahil maging sila ay nagulat din dahil sa marami din nag-message sa kanila at nagtatanong kung how's the relationship nila with Fiang. How ironic lang kasi nag-away-away ang mga fans ni Jazz at fans ni Fiang and other housemates pero yung pinag-awayan nila na mga housemates ay close naman sa isa't isa at wala namang problema. Fans lang talaga ang nagpapagulo sa kanila at nagpapaaway sa mga idol nila. Narito ang nasabing post. You're calling this girl insecure when in fact she's gorgeous. A degree holder with 13 honors and a woman full of substance and class. Sana okay lang kayo. Wala naman talaga kasing kainggit-inggit sa idol nyo. Which is, ni-refer niya ay si Fiang. So, nag-comment at nirepost ni Kai with a caption na louder at nirepost naman ito ni Ding Dong Bahan.